Hi everybody, welcome back, and now let's learn lesson 76. When did you? Arkadaşlarımıza biz 76-75'teki muhim bo'lgan mazmunlarni bir takror etdik. You know, rewrite the sentence. And the tuandagi jumlani qayta bir yezib chiqing deydi. Rewrite the sentence. Like, you know, he plays game every day. Deganda nima deymiz? He played game yesterday. Sizlar bu yerga vaqtni every day deganda yesterdayga, play deganda fe'lning oddiy hozirgi zaman shaklini oddiy o'tgan zaman shakliga aylantirib ekanmiz. Demak, bu ma'noda nima? Qattiq, iri qattiq degan gap. Iri qattiq degan gap. Xo'sh, ham qaranglar. She goes to town every day. U har kuni izbozorga boradi. Endi u tunugun body degandan emas, go-ning o'tgan zaman shakli went. Shunday bo'lganda nima? She went to town yesterday. She went to town yesterday. All right. And the other job, you know, she meets her friends every day. U har kuni do'stlari bilan ko'rishadi. Okay, endi buni nima deymiz? She met her friends yesterday. O tunugun do'stlari bilan qanday qildi? Ko'rishdi. Okay. You know, they drink some milk every day. Ular har kuni azroq sut ichadi. Endi buni nima deymiz? O tunugun azroq sut ichdi demoqchi. They drank some milk yesterday. Okay. You know, he swims in the river every day. Okay, u har kuni daryoda suzadi. And the suzdi bo'lsa, he swam in the river yesterday. He swam in the river yesterday. Demak, swimning o'tgan zaman shakl swam. Okay, and the king said she takes him to school every day. And the yerga bir xato bizda bo'lib hech qisi yo'q. U uni har kuni maktabga olib bordi. Okay, and tunugun maktabga olib borib bo'lsa, she took him to school yesterday. She took him to school yesterday. He cut himself every morning. U har kuni degan o'zini kesib oladi deydi. Okay, and the cutdan o'tgan zaman shakli nima? Cut. Demak, he cut himself yesterday morning. Tunugun degan u o'zini kesib oldi. Tunugun o'zini kesib oldi. You know, write the question and answer. You know, when did you walk across the park? I walked across the park last week. And the yerga walk across the park last week. Mushning asosida savol so'raysizlar, ham javob bersizlar. Demak, qachon zada shu bog'chani kesib o'tapmanda, o'tgan hafta kesib o'tapmanda. Masalan, wash your hands a minute ago. Masalan, qo'lingizni yuving, bir nima burun. Masalan, when did you wash your hands? Siz qachon qo'lingizni yuvdingiz desa, I washed my hands a minute ago. 1 minut burun qanday qilib yuvdim. Okay. You know, work in an office the year before last. Okay, demak, when did you work in an office? And what about I worked in an office the year before last. Year before last again, uzoq yili. Demak, o'tgan yilniki oldingi yili degan gap. Okay, and the manager ask question 5 minutes ago. And qachon savol so'radi? Demak, when did you ask a question? Siz qachon savol so'radingiz? I asked a question 5 minutes ago. Demak, endi bu yerga muhim narsa fe'lning o'tgan zaman shakli, uniki vaqt. So type those letters a month ago. Okay, and qachon o'qitni bossangiz? When did you type those letters? I typed those letters a month ago. Men o'qitlarni bir hafta burun bosdim. I typed those letters minutes ago, like a month ago, right? You're gonna buy a car a year ago. And the buy a car. Demak, qachon mashina sotib oldingiz? When did you buy a car? You know, I bought a car a year ago. Men bir yil burun mashina sotib oldim. Okay, let's practice. Okay, answer. Mashq qilamiz, savodashlar. Qarab baqsaq, nima deysanglar? Do you often play football after school? Agar positive bo'lsa, yes bo'lsa, I often play football after school. Men doim qanday qilaman? Maktabdan qaytgandan keyin futbol o'ynayman. Agar inkor shakli bo'lib qolsa, masalan, I have many books. Mening nurg'un kitoblarim bor. Mening kitoblarim yo'q bo'lsa, I don't have many books. Okay. Her sister likes playing table tennis. Onunki sanglasi shu tik-tak to'p o'ynashga qamroq. Hamda inkor shaklini berasanglar. Her sister mishaga do degan yordamchi bo'ladi. Nima doesn't like playing table tennis. Doesn't like playing table tennis. You know, she lives in a small town near New York. Okay, hamda bu savol shaklini berasanglar. Does she live in a small city in New York or small town near New York? Shu yaqin New York yaqin bir izbazarda turamdi. Okay, I watch TV every day. Okay, hamda savol shaklimi. Do you watch TV every day? Har kuni televizor ko'ramsiz? Deydi. Okay, hamda David has got a goal. Okay, and the uningki bir nimasi bor, has got a goal. Uningki nishoni bor. Savol shaklini berasanglar. Does David have got a goal? Okay. So we have 4 lessons. Bizning 4 darsimiz bor. Endi buni nima berasanglar? Inkarcha we don't have 4 lessons. Bizning darsimiz qanday yo'q. Nancy doesn't run fast. Positive bo'lishi. Nancy run bilandi, runners bilandi. Okay, runners. Nancy runs fast. Demek Nancy tez yuguraydi. Demek savolashib bu oddiy hozir zamonninki hamda savol shaklini yozganda shu yerga do degan yordamchi fe'l bo'ldi. Yordamchi fe'l oldiga chiqib qo'yamiz. Oldiga chiqdi agar x 3-chi shaxs birlik bo'lganda asosiy fe'lning keyingi as qaytildi emasmi? Bu asni does qaytib oladi. Qaytib olib qanday bo'ldi desanglar, shunga bu yerda does bo'ldigan gap. Masalan, Mike has 2 letters for him. Okay, Mike has 2 letters for him. Okay, Mike niki onunga 2 parcha qanday deymiz va xiti bor. Okay, hamda buningki nima desanglar, savol shakli does Mike have 2 letters for him? Mike niki 2 parcha xiti bormi? Deydi. Bo'ldi bolalar, mana shu bugungi darslarni yaxshi takrorlab bo'lammi? Did you? Masalan, did you wash? Did you open? Deganlar mana shu shakllarni yaxshi takrorlasanglar, bizningki bu darslarimiz bizningki g'oya abditali, to'rbat, tanishun darsxonasi, shundaqlar bizning salonlarda taqtildi. Ko'proq shularga diqqat qilib turasizlar. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.